The Joint Committee of the Lagos State House of Assembly has commended the services of the Eko Electricity Distribution Company. The team wants more investments to improve power supply across the state, while also calling for aggressive metering of customers. We have details in this report.
It's an August visit in the month of April. Leadership of the Lagos House of Assembly Committee on Information, Energy and Mineral Resources are at the headquarters of the Eko Electricity Distribution Company in Lagos. Their mission here is straight. They commended the management of the distribution company on its efforts aimed at supporting government in the fight against COVID-19. They also used the opportunity to intimate them of some challenges consumers face with regards to electricity supply across the Eko network.
Part of our visit here today, as you can see, is part of the measures we're using to see how we can alleviate the sufferings of the people within Lagos State. However, we've had a great meeting and conversation with the Eko distribution and the team at large, and they've explained that there are different channels of distribution and where all their challenges are. More so, it's been their attitude whereby they have taken into cognizance all the areas that we have put to them, and they have promised that they will embark on making sure that they make the necessary interventions to ameliorate the sufferings of the people.
People should rest assured that the state government will continue to work with the electricity distribution companies to ensure that their power supply is not adversely affected by any actions that the government is taking during the pandemic, especially due to restriction of movement. Electricity companies have committed to continuing to carry out the services as well as they have been carrying it before the pandemic.
They've been inundated with a plethora of complaints about no electricity supply, maybe excessive billings, maybe outright disconnection and all of that, and we need to be more sympathetic or empathetic rather to the cause of plight of the people in this pandemic. People cannot go out to work, economic power is low, and of course staying at home too should be as comfortable as possible, and without electricity that would be a mirage. And that's why we are out here to interact with the managing director of the Eko Disco, and we have had a very useful discussion with him.
Chief Executive Officer of the EKEDC, Adeoye Fadibi, explained dynamics of the power sector value chain to the visiting team. He further stated that efforts are on top gear to ensure improvement in supply across the network.
You look at it and you look at our customer base, probably more than 80% has been metered already. So when you look at the remainder that we have, is to continue to try and get this metering in place. And in some cases, we've even done and also to get even the DT, the distribution transformer metering done, so that we can account for the energy. The idea of estimated billing, I understand what the people are saying. The idea is just to make sure that, look, I want to pay for the energy that I use. And that means that we need to account for the energy. And that means, apart from the metering, we need to reduce the amount of energy theft that we have in the system, so that we don't bill other people for other people's energy being used.
To return it, they start asking.
The Joint House Committee expressed gratitude to the DISCO for the support and partnership for growth in the state, urging them not to relent in improving electricity supply across the network.